In this video, we are going to show you how to connect Emergent AI to Supabase. Now, you need to have your Supabase ready here. You need to have your API key and your URL, and then you need to actually implement it with the prompt that I'm going to show you right now. So the prompt is, I want to use Supabase for my database and auth, and then I'm going to have my URL key and my URL and my key here. And then afterwards, please initialize a Supabase client and create a simple sign up page that saves users to a profiles table. Go ahead and create a profiles table in Supabase with columns for ID, email, username, enable row level security, RLS, so users can only edit their own data, and then press send. There you go. And now we're just gonna wait for Emergent to start creating some magic. Of course, it's gonna welcome you, and it's just gonna be giving you the introduction. Smart choice. It always says that. I'll set up your core structure now, and we're gonna iterate from there. And now it's gonna prep its build. Right. Before I start, I'd like to clarify a few things. So again, this is going to be the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's going to be easy for anybody with zero knowledge, including myself, when it comes to just the instructions to be more specific. So number 1, authentication approach, which is going to go with A. Number 2, but if you're going to do this in real time, you need to read everything. But for us, we're just going to go fast. So page needed. So number 2 is A. Number 3 is going to be A. Number 4 is going to be A. Number 5 is going to be A. So additional features. Not number 5. Number 5 is going to be the first option. There you go. And then click send. Now it's going to have a more specific, more pinpointed instruction. Now it can actually start creating some magic. Okay, now we're going to have a new preview here. So create all necessary files for the Supabase auth app with glass morphism design. There we go. But there we go. By the way, this is pretty much connecting Supabase with our Emergent project, as you can see here. And the thing is, we can actually interact with it in real time. So username, email, password. There we go. Perfect. The sign up page looks stunning with glass morphism design. Now let me create the Supabase .md instructions file for the user and call the testing agent. So after this, it's going to start testing again, and that is actually the longest thing. But as you can see, it's quite short here. So summary, Supabase app glass morphism design complete. So it's going to tell us to build, set up requirement. There we go. And then full instructions are going to be here, and how to test. There we go. I'm going to ask you that. And next actions items, if you want, I can do this, or you can actually just deploy it immediately, which is pretty much good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.